I love my Pelican case. I have the nice and big 1560, which is what I use to store all of my cameras and photography equipment, video equipment, lighting, all that good stuff, all in one big case. But the one thing that's kind of notoriously bad about Pelican cases is that the wheels, it's meant to be like super durable, like you could like drive a car over this thing, throw it in the river, it's like shock proof, waterproof, everything proof. But the one thing that really sucks is the wheels are so clunky and loud. Like if I drive this over cobblestone or like jagged gravel, it is so loud and I feel so embarrassed, like all eyes turn towards me. So I decided to switch out the wheels, and it's actually not that hard, so I'm going to show you how. First, you have to take off the original wheels, so there's just 2 screws to take off, and then you can pop this off, and then you have to get this axle out so you can get to the original wheel to measure what size replacement you're going to need. So the axle, you have to push it away from this side to get it out on this side. So away from the side with this thing. Then you can take the wheel out, and then you're going to want 2 measurements, the width and the diameter, and then also the opening, the size of the axle. So for me, it was 60 millimeters diameter, and then I think it was 18 width, and then 6 millimeter axle. I got my replacements from Amazon. They had good reviews, it's good quality rubber. I'll post the link. They had basically every single size. So then you just want to put it back in and basically reverse the process to put it back on the case.